guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Care. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to go ahead and zip any file on your Linux operating system. Now, this can be used on any operating system, whether or not you're using Kali, Parrot, Arch Linux, you name it. So the first thing you guys would have to do is head on over to your terminal. Now the file, let me just close this extra terminal. Now the file that I want to zip is currently on my desktop, so you guys would have to head on over to whatever directory you have the specific file that you want to zip in. So I'm going to go ahead and head on over to desktop, then I'm going to enter ls and zip tac password. Some persons refer to that as dash password, and let's say I want to password to be 2023. I'm gonna go ahead and select techno.zip because you want it to be a zip file, and you would have to ensure that you let the terminal know that the file that you want to zip is the text file, which is named techno. So as you guys can see, I have it here on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and select enter, and as you guys can see, here's the file. Now if I should go ahead and open this, as you guys can see, a password is required. Let me just enter that right there, and that is it. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, Technique is out.